So nobody made them see now. Don't they join with Oga Chijoke? So Baba, this Guendouzi matter we dey discuss. I take see am. Some people they talk say why we sell am, why we no bring am back. So the question is say if this guy come back to Arsenal, change will make any meaningful impact.
Matteo Guendouzi is a good player. He's a very fantastic player. But the problem with that guy is character issues. You understand? He's like a mole. You understand that enemies will penetrate from. You know, currently Arsenal is in a high spirit. One team. They are moving ahead. They don't need setbacks. You understand? And if you bring in a mole, there is a chance that those peace and love among them will be divided. Do you understand? So Matteo Guendouzi is a fantastic player. Bringing him back is not a bad idea. Only if he's gonna work on his character, because that guy is having a character issue. There in Marseille, the coach is even complaining, but he's a good player. The coach needs him, he plays him, but he's complaining of the guy's character. So Matteo Guendouzi is a good player. Bringing him back, I think maybe he's still growing up. He's still a young boy. You know, young guys, how they do. But if he start reasoning as a man, yeah, he's a good backup. He's a good player. He's a very fantastic player. I think he will do well.
If they bring that kind of Guendouzi come back to Arsenal, na shey him go fit break into our first level. Shey na Partey him go fit bench. I mean, na Xhaka him go fit bench.
That guy is as in, let me say, somebody that is fringe. Should I say fringe or should I use the word? Which word am I going to use? Somebody that I don't know how he penetrates the midfield. You cannot even see him, but you will see him doing something. You will not see him going there to tackle you. You will not see him going. I don't know, but you will see him doing damages to the opposition. You understand? There's a kind of, I don't know, but that guy is a kind of player. You will not see him. Somebody like Gundogan. You will not see Gundogan doing anything, but he will be playing you. You will be sweating inside the pitch, but you will not see Gundogan. That's the kind of player Matteo Guendouzi is. You will not see him do anything, but he will be playing you. So he's a good player.